Hello good people, hope you're well. In today's video we're going to share how we clean our oven and how to use the oven. We're going to talk about this particular knob. Someone asked how it works, and I just want to share. So there's this first option. So the first one is this one. You can see it has some sort of that thing that you can use to make skewers, right? Yeah, so you use it when it's full grill with turn speed. It will automatically turn itself. Yeah, so grilling and turn speed. So this is fan assisted top heating. So the heat comes from the top and then the fan assists in distributing the heat. So this one is fan supported bottom and top heating. This is where it cooks on both sides, and then hot air is evenly distributed. And what they say is that you should only use one pan or one tray when you're cooking on this setting. I hope it's clear. Yeah, it's clear. So let's get to the next. So the next one is top and bottom heating, which is simultaneous from top and bottom, and it is suitable for cakes, pastries, or casseroles in baking molds. Cook one tray only once again. We go to the next one. The next one is fan assisted bottom heating. This is where you use the heat from the bottom and then hot air is distributed by the fan. Yeah, and it is used for easy steam cleaning as well. The next one is grill plus fan, which is not as effective as the full grill with turn speed, and it is used for smaller portions of whatever you are cooking. I think maybe it can be considered good for skewers, right? Yeah. And then you can turn food after grilling half the time so that it cooks on the other side. So we go to the last one. This one is operating with fan. In this case, the oven is not heated and it is only lighting up the oven lamp and the fan. And this is suitable for thawing frozen granular food slowly at room temperature and cooling down the cooked food. And the time required for food and grains is different, so depending on what you're thawing. Yeah, and of course, and this is the default setting when you're not using the oven. Currently we are only using the Morning Fresh dish liquid cleaner and Soconi steel wool to clean the cooker. This is because when we were using the other detergents and we just sprayed on the cooker, at some point I noted it was getting rusty, and then when I tried this combination, it is working perfect and the outcome is amazing. The cooker is just shining after the clean. So that is why we moved to this one, and I would recommend for anyone to use the same products or whichever dish liquid that you have, but don't use the sprayers on the cooker because it's going to rust. Comment below with any other options that you have for such a cooker. We always get to try out and see what works out for us.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me. shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel alive.